So if you use the new Final Cut Pro, you've probably seen the new option for wide color. And what is that? Simply put, it's a new standard, a new setting that allows your screen and your camera to record more saturated colors. Well, actually, your camera could already see them, it just couldn't reproduce them because our screens couldn't. So I'm going to draw the CIE 1931 color diagram. And this is simply a diagram to show all the colors and the most saturated colors that the human eye can see. It looks very roughly like this. And up here we have our greenest green, our bluest blue, and our reddest red. And in the middle of all three, we have our white point. Now, these wide colors are part of the Rec 2020 standard, which is called Recommendation 2020 because it's thought to be implemented by the year 2020. Given that this is already 2017, we'll see how that goes. CIE, by the way, is the consortium of international electromagnetic colors. But anyhow, so back to the diagram. So these are 3 points of our most saturated colors, and in theory that'd be great if we could just reproduce all of them, but we can't right now. So with our HD televisions, we have something called Rec 709. And as you can see, it can only reproduce greens up to here, reds up to there, and blues to there, which is not a lot. They're still very vibrant, but they're not nearly as vibrant as they could be. So that was that. Rec 609 was a little triangle inside of that, which is very small for standard definition. Now to Rec 2020, the triangle looks more like this. Oops, just kidding. This. And as you can see, those are much, much, much more saturated. So if you're seeing, say, a red rose, it's going to be brilliantly red. If you're going to see, I don't know, an asparagus, it's going to be very green. And then a blueberry is going to be very blue. Much more than the Rec 709, our HD televisions can reproduce right now. So the biggest problem why we can't reproduce them right now, technically, is because when they do get very close to these points, they produce speckle. And that's that kind of granular look you've seen when you have, say, a red laser pen. The spectrum light is so narrow that we see that weird kind of specular look. In another video, I will go into something that Rec 2020 does not talk about, and that's the new HDR televisions, and that's under the ST2084 standard.